Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on USB debugging in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and you want to enable USB debugging, so let's see how can you do this. Just open your phone settings. From settings, just scroll down and look for about phone. First of all, we're going to enable developer options. Just tap on about phone, then go for software information. Go for build number and tap on it for almost 7 times. Just tap on it. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 until you get the large development settings. Just tap on OK from here and you can see developer option has been enabled. Now go back, go to main settings and you will get developer options here. Just tap on it, then scroll down and look for USB debugging. Just enable it, but if this setting has been blocked in your phone, you just can easily disable auto block from here. Just go for security and privacy and here just look for auto blocker and you must have to disable it, which I have already disabled. Now go back, go to developer options, go for USB debugging and enable that to enable USB debugging. Just tap on OK. So in this way you can easily turn on USB debugging in your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.